Hello, I'm Coach D, a trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today I'm excited to introduce Sunny's newest addition for results-driven, high-impact training, the Slam Ball. From beginner to elite athlete, the Slam Ball has the power to transform your workout from ordinary to extraordinary. Slam Ball training is an engaging, full-body workout that embodies strength, power, and endurance. It's also beginner-friendly, helping you build stability and control, making it a fun and versatile addition to any fitness routine. Using a Slam Ball engages multiple muscle groups, including the core, shoulders, legs, and back, helping you build strength, endurance, and explosive power. The dynamic movements and weighted ball challenges your motor control and grip strength, helping you move more efficiently and perform better in lifts, climbs, and in all sports. Lastly, it can be fun and stress relieving to slam a heavy ball into the ground. It is a great way to blow off steam while staying fit. This versatile product comes in 7 weight options: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, and 50 pounds, designed to challenge any fitness level. Made from durable PVC, these Slam Balls withstand even the hardest throws, while the rubber threaded surface ensures secure grip so you can focus on your workout. The bounce-resistant construction makes them ideal for heavy use, both indoors and outdoors. When using the Slam Ball in your home, make sure to protect your floor with mats. Let's say you're new to strength training and you want to gain muscle while incorporating cardio. The Slam Ball will add versatility without the cumbersome feel of dumbbells. Simply hold it tight and hug it into your chest as you perform lunges, or use them for dynamic movements such as side lunges and rotational movements to train your obliques and challenge your coordination. Use it for overhead presses or tricep extensions. Pass it to each hand while doing a push-up to gain defined pecs. Build back and bicep strength when you slam it and pick it up. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our excellent customer service team, who are delighted to help.